welcome to the fashion show in Tokyo. I'm Eva from the mw3dp company in the Netherlands. We are selling all kinds of 3D printing stuffs related to the fashion and the home decoration industrial. And let me show you some our products. Those are the 3D printing shoes, which is very comfortable and waterproof and also very good for the summer, very soft and also good for the traveling. And we also have all kinds of the vases, and which is 3D printing by the environmental friendly materials. And also we have the lamps, which is also ceramic and sand, all kinds of materials. So we are basically a 3D printing technology material company. And if you wanted to learn more, please visit us mw3dp.com and feel free to contact me if you have any idea and questions. Thank you.